Hi folks, now we are at Velebit and National Park, North Velebit. Yes, I have something to show you. Some of you ask me what equipment do we use, what rig especially do we use on this trip for these run and guns, because we are walking a lot. We can't just carry a lot of equipment in the hands and on our backs, because when we are filming we are walking for 10, 15, 18 kilometers with Nikola. The main equipment that I use, the rig that I use to film this documentary movie, it's this little fellow that I have in my hands. In the last video I show you all the equipment that we use to film this movie, but this little piece of equipment, of camera, monitors, lenses and everything, it's equipment that I use all the time, almost all the time of filming this movie. Sometimes just take off the camera and use it with the gimbal, but all the times, because I love this handheld shoot and it just look natural to shoot this way. With this setup, with this GH4 camera, I use almost all the time 12mm 2.0 Samyang lens that I'm filming right now, because on the field I don't have many of them in the back. And sometimes when I shoot handheld I use 24mm 2.8 Canon FD lens, and of course when I'm shooting from my tripod I use 50mm and 135mm Canon FD lenses. And with the lens I use this step-up ring from 55mm to 67mm for my Hoya Pro ND variable filter. What we have here, we have Rode video mic Go. Why this one? Why not Pro version? Because I have this one, it's really okay for shootout. It don't need batteries, it's lightweight, and I have it almost couple of years, and it's great little microphone for run and guns shootout. Wait, yeah, we have this Feelworld F570 4K field monitor. What to say about it? Now I use it more than 1 month, and it's really great piece of equipment. I really love it. It's lightweight, it's solid construction metal build, and I can say that it's not using too much power. This little battery that I have here, I don't know what voltage it is. Say it right? Yeah, I hope so. But for me, it takes, if I'm using this field monitor or brightness 100%, it lasts almost 5 hours. And with this, when I get those big Sony batteries on this monitor, I can use it for 2 days of filming. So, great piece of equipment. The only thing that I don't understand, maybe that's a problem in HDMI cables that I use, sometimes I get a little flickering in the pictures. I buy cheaper ones, I buy expensive ones, like this one here that I have. I don't know what kind of it, but yeah, it was almost $30 on eBay. when I buy it, but for me everything is okay. It helps me at these sunny conditions. Yeah, it's really great. Thank you Feelworld for this one, and I know that I will use them in the future. Maybe you should have monitors that I can put lots in it, or maybe they can shoot raw picture. It will be great, but for this project this is really great monitor, really great field 4K monitor. And of course we have this Film City cage. This is a top handle. I just twisted it like my right arm handle. It's easier for me to shoot it this way, so it's stabilizing a little bit. And yeah, it's my kind of holding this camera cage. Yeah, that is what we use almost all the time when we're shooting, from the hand, sometimes from the tripod. For the time lapses we use our G7 camera, and that's probably all that I carry in my bag, except other lenses and of course water, something to eat when I'm on the field. When we have special shootouts I use gimbal, use drone, and yeah, that's all that we carry to the field. When we shoot in some places that we can use lights, that we can use these lavaliers, other microphones, then we use everything that I show in my last video.
Okay, see you later.
All right, take care. It's been nice knowing you.
Yeah. Take care of yourself.
I try to.
Don't do something foolish.
I don't. I just keep on my 2 feet. And
Yeah,
you too.
Yeah.
No falling down.
Don't fall down. And
No getting any owies.
see you maybe in Paklenica National Park. Okay?
Possibly. We'll keep in touch.
Definitely.
Whenever we have reception to keep in touch.
Yep. See ya.
All right.
Bye, man.
Bye.